the story of my aunt in brief. 5 6 years back, she got the cervical cancer, and before she was going to take chemotherapy and radiation, I told her and my uncle that cancer cells will be killed by chemo and radiation. Cancer stem cells are very difficult to kill by chemo and radiation. So that is why cancer returns. So I suggested her that before she takes chemo and radiation, she has to do all the five, and also it will help in overcoming the side effects. And she did follow very religiously, and within a week or two, she started chemo and radiation. They suggested to do 50 rounds, but by the end of 5 to 10 rounds, the doctor said, excellent progress, we can stop here. And in these 10 rounds of chemo and radiation, every time she was in the waiting room, people who used to ask her, are you a bystander and where is the patient? She used to say, I am the patient, and they would be wondering how she did not lose hairs or show any symptom of any side effects of chemo and radiation. And after that, I told her, do not stop Unify for 5 years. At least 2 years you have to be very very religiously following as you are doing now. Do not stop. And also I was asking her to give Panchagavya also, and they said no non-veg, strictly vegetarian. She did follow for 2 years, and after that she ignored all this, she stopped everything, and then again the cancer returned. She also was taking a lot of non-vegetarian food, but she actually hid everything from me. And what happened was, she got again the cancer in worst stage. This time she did not do the Unify before going to the treatment. She went immediately for chemo and radiation. That time she got severe side effects, and again she recovered. She didn't recover. She went into death phase. So the doctors, it's in the biggest hospital in Kerala known for cancer. They said we cannot do anything. She also was not able to pass urine. She was bedridden. She couldn't get up. So they said she has to be taken to the palliative care. In less than 2 weeks, she will die. So then I did not know all this. She was taken to the Cochin palliative center, and they were starting, and the relatives, everybody were visiting her because that's the last time they're going to see her. So at that time, only I knew that from my cousins that she would die soon. So I scolded them. I said, how can somebody say that they will not live for long, and that can also be changed. And I told them to do all the Unify, and the she could not eat or drink. Everything was given in IV, but in food pipe also. So I told certain things to be given, again Panchagavya and all that, Unify, but the doctors refused. And I asked the doctor, why do you refuse? Because anyway she is going to die in 10 days. So what if we pour anything into the food pipe? So with that logic, he had to accept it. So we started doing that, and she had the blessings of Almighty. Kerala flood came in 2018, I think. So that time the hospital started to be flood. But within a few days of starting Unify, she started to sit on the bed, and then she started to go to the toilet. That was amazing improvement for the doctors and the staff there. And 1 week passed, 2 week passed. Then she said, can you please remove the urinary tubes, because now I can pee and go to the toilet without any help. That was a huge improvement. Then 3rd week passed, so now she has passed the death sentence date. At that time only the flood came, so then she has to be evacuated. So that time I told the doctor, why don't you remove the food pipe and send her home? So they had no choice. They removed the food pipe. She was taken home. There she improved, and these are the photos how amazingly she recovered. Again, I told her, do not take any non veg or anything. You have to strictly follow. And this time, if you don't, then it will be very hard to recover. She came to a stage where you can see in the photo in the red sari, she completely amazingly went back to the old stage, but again she ignored, and then suddenly it returned, unfortunately, in 2020. And she did not tell, nobody spoke to me because they were scared that I will scold, but it was unfortunate. Then she passed away last year. But these, like this, we have several stories in Unify, that if you follow all the five, definitely the body can do miracles, not I nor the treatment. Our body has fantastic ability to heal, but all that we need to do is to support it.